Hello all, good morning. I welcome you all in the English writing skills. Myself, Miss Kurche Sunita Sadashu, and under today's video lecture, video series, we are going to see one of the component of writing skills, and that is notice writing part 1. Let us see what is notice writing or how it can be described. A notice is written or printed information, or in short we can describe it as news announcement. It is a written intimation of date, time, place and subject, that is purpose. This written or printed information, where, when and what time it is projected. It is described under this section which is known as body. In next slide we will see the structure. There also you will have the same points mentioned under the point body. See, it is always issued by the authorized person and it is meant only for a select group. The notice that is issued, it is meant only for a select group. Its tone and style should be formal and factual. आता जेव्हा आपण नोटीस इश्यू करणार आहे तेव्हा ती त्याची स्टाईल आणि टोन फॉर्मल आणि फॅक्च्युअल असायला हवा. इट्स लँग्वेज शुड बी सिम्पल अँड formal, and it should be always brief and to the point. Let's see where mostly the notices are displayed. Yes, of course they are displayed in schools, colleges, companies, firms. Let us see. When the notices are displayed in schools, what do they announce? They announce upcoming event or competitions, lost and found notice. Under the lost and found notice, if anyone in the college or school, someone is losing something or someone gets or finds something, then this is also informed under this structure, that is notice. See, the next slide gives us the information regarding tips that one has to follow while writing a notice. While writing, the specified word limit is of 50. Write the word notice at the top. You have to write the very word notice at the top. Also, it includes the name and place of the school or the organization or the issuing committee or office. Date is also mentioned. Clearly mention the target group, म्हणजे ज्यासाठी कोणासाठी नोटीस आहे त्यांचा उल्लेख तिथं असायला पाहिजे. अँड पर्पज ऑफ द नोटीस, आणि जे काही रिलेटेड पॉईंट्स आहेत ते सुद्धा मेन्शन करायला हवं आहे तिकडे. Signature, name and designation of the person is must at the end, and remember all these things should be placed in this box. In this means this notice or such a notice, while writing notice you should write all the details in box. These are the points that you should remember while writing a notice. With the help of these points, let's see the format or the structure of writing notice or must include points. See, here we are summarizing the points that have been mentioned in the last slide. Those points have been carried here in the 5 most important points or must points writing notice. Name of the issuing agency or authority. Very word notice you have to write, so the word notice should come at the top. Date of issue or release of the notice. body, which includes date, time, duration, place or venue, and finally the signature of the authorized person. These are the important points. Let us see the structure of these points. Where do they come? Remember, the notice is issued or the printed information or the written word should be in the box. So here we have one box. Then you should first mention here the name of the issuing agency or authority. Then you should follow with the very word notice at the middle of the page. Then you should have to write date. Then mention body, and in body you should mention date, time, duration, place. हे फॉर्मॅट आहे नोटीसचं. सुरुवातीला नाव येणार आहे कॉलेज, स्कूल किंवा कंपनी फॉर्मचं. त्यानंतर नोटीस हा शब्द यायला हवा आहे. त्यानंतर डेट लिहायचं आहे. त्यानंतर बॉडी, बॉडीमध्ये तुम्हाला डेट, टाईम, ड्युरेशन किंवा प्लेस, व्हेन्यू मेन्शन करायचं आहे. आणि फायनली सिग्नेचर ऑफ ऑथोराइज्ड पर्सन, नेम अँड डेसिग्नेशन मस्ट बी देअर. Let us say with the help of these format we are going to see sample example. See the name of the issuing committee, or here we have taken as an example as Sri Shamrao Patil Educational and Charitable Trusts, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic, J. Sangli Naka, Yadra, Ichalkaranji. This is the name of the company or name of the school. This is the name of the college here. This is first point that you must mention in notice writing. Second, you have to write the very word notice. So here it is. Then you have to put the date, 14 January 2021. Now here we have body in 2 paragraphs. Let us see. All the students of first year diploma engineering are hereby informed that an industrial visit is arranged for them on 25th January to Bharat Forge Industries, Mumbai. The fees for the visit are rupees 400 per person. Buses for the visit will leave at 6 a.m. Students are informed to register before 22nd January 2021 to Mr. Patil PP. By order SD, that is Standard Deviation, Principal SITP. See, now this is the target group, that is students of first year diploma engineering. This is the target group for whom the notice is issued, and for them it is announced that industrial visit has been arranged for them when on 25th January at 6 a.m. buses will leave for the visit, and the fees for the same are rupees 400 per person. And who are interested, they have to enroll their names to Mr. Patil PP before 22nd January 2021. And this notice has been issued by orders, and the division person's name and designation should be mentioned in notice. So here it is, by order Principal SITP. Hope you are getting the notice writing structure and the sample example you might have clicked. Hope you will be practicing the same and will draft a same with another question or another topic. Do the same. Thank you all.